Welcome to Activity 63. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with the near double strategy of adding one more than the double bond of 6, 7, 8 and 9. To begin, you need 16 counters and to place your clear plastic spinner on top of the board. You need access to one of each block, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 9s and 2 10s. The blocks are there for if you need to check an answer. Let's begin. Player 1 goes first and they spin and they say the addition. 8 add 7 equals 15. And they place a counter on their scoring table. They could place it on this 15, or they could also place it on 7 add 1 because this is also worth 15. It's double 7 and one more. I'm going to place it on here. Player 2 has their turn. They spin 9 add 10 and they say 9 add 10 equals 19 and they place a counter. Play continues. 9 add 8 equals 17. If a player spins a number that has already been filled, for example, if they had filled both of these and they spin this again, they say 9 add 8 equals 17, but they don't place a counter. You play for 3 minutes and whoever has placed the most number of counters wins. I want to explain how to use the blocks if you need help. For example, if you had spun 6 add 7 and you weren't sure what it was, you take the parts, part add part equals whole of 6 and 7. You place them in your frame. This might be enough to jog your memory that you know 6 and 6 is 12, so it's 1 more 13. If it is, stop there. If it's not, build the matching whole using a 10 plus bond. It's going to be 10 and something. It's 3. So 10 and 3 is 13. I also want to demonstrate why this is equivalent. So the whole of 13 is equal to 6 add 7. It's also equal to 6 add 6 add 1. And your 7 is worth the 6 and the 1. The 6 and the 1. This is a 3-part petition. So we would say part add part equals the whole of 13. 6 add 1 equals 13.